Royal Farms is famous for its world-famous fried chicken, often praised for its crispy coating and juicy tender meat. Many customers on Reddit and other review platforms rave about the seasoned chicken and its ability to stay crispy even when cooled down. People who tried it for the first time in areas like South Jersey were impressed by the taste and quality, noting that it is a great option for fast food, especially compared to other fried chicken chains. However, while the taste gets high marks, there are a few criticisms to consider. Some reviews mentioned inconsistency in quality, with a few customers reporting overly greasy or undercooked chicken. There are also mentions of the chicken being a little too salty for some tastes, which could be a deal breaker for some who prefer a milder seasoning. Despite these minor issues, Royal Farms chicken remains a favorite among many, especially for those in the Mid-Atlantic region. If you're looking for a fast food with a crispy, flavorful twist, it's worth giving Royal Farms a try. Just be mindful that the quality may vary depending on the location.